Today I have a Gujarati shaak for you and it's one of my favorites. And we make sure whenever there's a family event, we have to have it on the menu. So let's see the recipe for Kaju Karela. I have some Karelas or Bitter Gourd here and now I'm going to show you how to clean it and chop it. So take a peeler or a knife is fine as well and start peeling the Karela. Just get rid of the pointy part of the skin and now I'm going to cut it into half and scoop out the center. If you're using baby Karelas, you can even use the seeds as well, but I prefer to remove them. And now you can cut them into round rings. Get rid of the edge. Add a teaspoon of salt and nicely rub it over the Karelas and let it rest for 30 minutes. Give these rings a thorough wash. The Karela has been resting for 30 minutes and now I'm going to squeeze out all the water. This helps in removing the bitterness. Take some and squeeze out all the water. Squeeze it thoroughly. Separate them out and keep them in another bowl. In this way, we are getting rid of the bitterness as well as the excess moisture because we want to fry the Karela nice and crisp. I've taken 1 kg of bitter gourd here. So the prep is all done. Now let's start cooking. So heat a pan. Next add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in only 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, not much. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida. 1/4 cup of cashew nut pieces. Fry the cashews till they start changing color. Once they tan, add in 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and quickly add in the sliced Karela. Toss it together. And now on very low heat, keep stirring periodically and let the Karela fry. This takes about 20-25 minutes to cook and now it's time to add in all the spices. A pinch of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, some salt, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix all the ingredients properly. Cook this with the spices for 2 minutes. Add in some coriander leaves. Give it a final toss. This is ready. Let's turn off the flame. This is usually a part of a Gujarati thali. Do serve it with some curry, puri, dal, kachumbar and even some rice. I'm sure all of y'all are going to enjoy this. Do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.